got a fucking 336. We have absolutely no fucking reason in the world to be doing this, but we're gonna do it. There you go, spinning it around there. I mean, this is just for the assholes. Say, oh man, why don't you ever do that? We do whatever the fuck we want to do, that's why. Like I said, this is just flex factor. So your cock's bigger. Spin it around there. Proving that cock's a little bigger. Walk it off there, cuz. Oh yeah. Swing her around. Cause he ain't scared, cuz. Ain't nothing to be scared of. Just get it off there. Fucking 336. He's got it. It's done deal. Done deal, baby. No harm, never